Hello, welcome to EZ Eatery. My name is Angela, and today we're going to put together a potato bar. So this is super quick and super easy. I'm going to use my air fryer, and I'm also going to use my Ninja Foodi. And we're just going to throw it together real quick, and so this is going to be amazing. I have a couple of friends coming over today, and I'm super excited to share this with them. So welcome in. Let's go get busy. Let me start by saying I am loving these silicone dividers. These are an awesome find that you find on Amazon. I will have it linked for you in the bottom. So it allows me to cook two things at once. I'm going to put some regular old beans in one side, and I'm going to put some broccoli and cheddar in the other side. So both of these will be done in no time because they're microwavable, but I want everything to be cooked all at the same time as the potatoes. So put those in. Like, I had to fold it down just one little notch, and the now my lid goes on perfectly. I love those things. They're awesome. So while those are over there warming up, we're going to take our potatoes, scrub them down really, really well. And I like to poke holes in mine. You don't have to. Some people do, some people don't. But I have always been brought up to poke holes. All right, so since they're going in the air fryer, I want a crunchy skin on the outside. So I'm going to take some olive oil and just go ahead and sprinkle that all over the top and, rub it all in. Now that we have those all greased up, take some Susie Q. That's my favorite all-purpose seasoning. You can use salt, pepper. You can use whatever seasoning you like. So I'm going to do that on all sides as well. And then we're going to put those right into the air fryer. I love using the air fryer for potatoes because it takes like literally 50 minutes. And those are big potatoes. So 50 minutes in the air fryer. Oh, I put them in at 400 degrees. All right, you guys, here it is. Oh my goodness, isn't that beautiful? So there's our potatoes, some sour cream, butter, some cheese, and some bacon bits. And there's our chili and our broccoli. And I made a little simple salad to go with it. And wow. Oh, well, wasn't that so super fun? Oh my gosh, it's super easy to put together. Didn't take hardly any time at all. Yeah, so anyway, my friends had a really great time. We really enjoyed ourselves. It was great catching up. And yeah, this is awesome. So anyway, thank you for joining me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Hey, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And please give the video a thumbs up. I would certainly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye now.